Okay, sige. Repeated linear factors. So, ito naman, this is another case in which ang nangyayari dito sa repeated linear factors is yung as you can see kanina dun sa distinct linear factors natin, yung exponent nun is 1. So here is meron na tayong exponent na square. So ang ginagawa dito is also by partial fraction. The difference is just nagkaroon ng modification. So kunin ulit natin yung problem na yan. So itong x squared plus 1 all over x squared times x plus 1 squared. Okay. So ito na yung original function natin. So we will gagawin muna natin tong simpler form. Kasi kung itong titingnan nyo, masyadong complicated to. Mahirap tong i-integrate. So the question is how? Paano natin mapapadali ito? So by using partial fraction, as you can see, kung titingnan natin sa rules sa partial fraction, madali lang ang partial fraction. Titingnan nyo lang kung naka-raise to sa 2, for example, itong x squared. So, di ba? Meron tayo dyang mga different factors. For example, itong x squared, x times x, tapos ito naman, times x plus 1 times x plus 1. So, nauulit-ulit ito. Yan, nauulit-ulit sila. So, ang gagawin natin dyan is magkakaroon tayo ng variation. Katulad nung sa kanina. So, kanina, ang ginawa natin is, di ba, naglagay tayo ng mga factors. Yan. Bakit 4? Kasi dalawa dito, tas dalawa dito. Now, in case na, example, ito naging 3. Okay, so i-add nyo yan lahat. 3 plus 2, dapat magiging 5 na yan dito. Kasi magkakaroon yan ng differences. Makikita nyo mamaya. So, example ito, x squared. So, di ba ang nilalagay natin dito is a. Now, ang unang nilalagay natin dito sa ilalim ng a is yung linear factor nitong x squared. So, ang linear factor niya is x. Tapos, pataas yan ng pataas, b. For example, ito, di ba, raised to 1 to. Pagdating dito, x na yan, raised to 2. Hanggang sa makuha na natin yung factor na to. Now, in case, example, 3 yan, magkakaroon ka ng c dito, tapos ito, naka-x na raised to 3. Hanggang sa makuha nyo yung higher or highest na exponent dito. Now, nakuha na natin, x squared na yan. Ito naman nating ito naman na isang factor. So, dito nyo na isusunod yung c, tapos isusulat nyo yung linear muna. Mag-start yan sa naka-raise sa 1, and then d, naka-raise na yan sa 2. Okay? So, naka-raise na sa 2. Okay. So, next step. Anong next step natin? Diba, i-multiply natin ito by the denominator. So, x squared times x plus 1 squared. Okay. So, na-cancel out. So, ang naiwan na lang dito is x squared plus 1 is equal to a times x squared divided by x. Diba, makakancel yung isang x? May iwan na lang is x times x plus 1 squared. Sundan. Okay, so na-cancel yung isang x, kaya may naiwan pang isa. Plus b, x squared divided by x squared, naiwan. Na-cancel yung x squared, naiwan is ito. Times b. So, x plus 1 squared plus c times ito, divided by here. Maalis yung isang x squared. Maka-cancel out yung isang x squared. May iwan is x squared. Ay, mali. May maka-cancel out yung isang x plus 1. Diba, ito. Ito, divided by nito, maka-cancel yung isang x plus 1. May iwan is x squared times x plus 1. Plus d times. O, ito naman, maka-cancel yung x plus 1 squared. May iwan na lang dyan is x squared. Okay? Yan na yung simplified version natin. Now, anong factor na kailangan, kanina, ang ginawa natin, since dalawa lang yung variable natin, Madali lang. Kasi iset natin yung isa na mag-0, makukuha na natin yung isa. Ito, marami, 4. Diba? Pero as you can see, kung titingnan natin sa denominator, pag ito ginawa natin na 0, ginawa natin tong 0, ginawa tong 0, so di ba makakancel yan lahat? Therefore, if we let x is equals to 0, o yan, dito kayo tumingin sa denominator, dapat maging 0 yan. O ito, paano to magiging 0? I-delete natin yung x is equal to 0. O ito, paano to magsi-0 yung x plus 1? O i-delete mo yung x as negative 1 para maging mag-0 yan. Okay? So if you let x is equals to 0, ito magsi-0, 0 squared is 0, plus 1, 1. Is equal to a times x, magiging 0. O kahit wag na nating isulat yan. 0 na yan. Diba? Plus b times 0 plus 1 is 1 squared. B na lang yan. Plus, ito, magsi-0 na yan. C times 0 squared times 0 plus 1 plus D times 0 squared. So, ito magsi-0 rin. Ito mag-0. Yan. Ano na iwan na lang? B. Therefore, B natin is equal to 1. Sulat natin siya dito. B is equal to 1. Oh, now, paano naman? May isa pa. O, ito baga. If we let x is equals to negative 1, magsi-0 to. So, therefore, mayroon tayong possible na makancel dyan na ma-0. Okay? So, negative 1 squared plus 1. Okay, pasok natin sa parenthesis. Negative 1 B. Sabi natin, let x is equal to negative 1. So, negative 1 squared plus 1. Ito yan. Is equal to a times negative 1 times negative 1 plus 1 squared. So, magsi-0 to. Titingnan nyo, lahat ng may x plus 1 dyan, magsi-0 yan. Ito magsi-0. Ito magsi-0. Diba? Magsi-0 yan. Ito magsi-0 din. Plus c times 0 na yan. Kasi magsi-0 tong part na to. Times ito, 0 lang din yan. Plus, ito, hindi to magsi-0. Kasi magiging d times negative 1 squared. Yan. So, magsi-0 to. Si-0 yan. Si-0 yon. Nung naiwan. Negative 1 squared is 1. Plus 1 is equal to d times negative 1 squared is 1. So, therefore, d is 2. Yan. Therefore, d is 2. Oh, sir, dahil nga kami pwedeng ibang i-substitute kasi nagamit na yung x is equals to 0, x is equals to negative 1. So, ano na ngayon pwedeng gamitin natin? O, edi mag-assign tayo ng any value. Simulan natin sa pinakamaliit na positive. Kung hindi pa na-assign yung 0, dun tayo magsisimula. Pag naka-assign na tayo ng 0, sundan natin sa pinakamaliit na positive. Na kung x natin is 1, o magiging 1 squared. Bakit positive? Para madali yung pag-substitute. No need to put parentheses. Now, this is 1. 1 squared plus 1 is equal to a times 1 times 1 plus 1 squared. Saan to galing? Nandito yan. A times 1 times 1 plus 1 squared na yon. Plus, doon na sa B. B, 1 plus 1 squared plus C times 1 squared times 1 plus 1 plus D times 1 plus 1. Okay? So, 1 plus 1, 2 na to. Is equal to A. Ano yung A natin? A is equal to A. O, 1 plus 1 is 2. Diba? 1 plus 1 is 2. Squared, 4. times 1, 4. Therefore, multiply natin yung A by 4. Plus B. Now, pag nakuha na natin yung value ng B dito, pwede na natin substitute yan. Okay? So, substitute 1 dun sa B times 1 plus 1 is 2 squared 4 plus C. May value na tayo ng C. Wala pa. Times 1 squared is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 times 1, 2. Or simply, this is 2C plus D times 1 plus 1. D, meron tayo 2. 2. Yan, substitute na natin. 1 plus 1 is 2. So, simplify. 2 is equals to 4A. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 2C plus 2 times 2 is 4. Now, 4 plus 4 is 8. Diba? 8. O, ilipat natin sa kabila. Magiging negative 8. Diba? So, transform muna natin bago natin ilipat. Or, pagsamahin na natin dito. O, 4 plus 4 is 8. Pag nilipat sa kabila, magiging negative 8. Susundan. O, negative 8. Ito na yon. Negative 8 plus 2, negative 6 is equals to 4A plus 2C. Now, we let this as equation 1. Kasi gagamitin natin yan mamaya sa pagsusolve ng A at C. Kasi dalawang unknown, therefore we need at least 2 equations. Okay? So, next step. Ano sunod na step? Next step is to assign another value ng x. Anong sunod na pinakamaliit sa 1? Siyempre, 2. Positive ha? Positive. 1, sunod natin 2. Now, if we let x is equals to 2, what will happen? So, ito magiging 2 squared plus 1. Ito na yan. Is equal. A. May value tayo ng A? Wala. So, A times 2 times 2 plus 1. 2 times 2 plus 1 squared. Plus B. May value ng B. 1. Okay? 1 times 2 plus 1 squared. Tama? Ito na. Plus C. Wala yung value. X squared, which is 2 squared times 2 plus 1. Yan. Plus D times 2 squared. Oh, may value yung D, which is equivalent sa 2. Okay? Yan na. Sunod, simplify. 2 squared is 4. Plus 1, 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. Squared is 9. Times 2, 18. Plus 2 plus 1 is 3. Squared, 9. Plus 2 squared is 4. Diba magiging 4 to? Times 2 plus 1 is 3. O 4 times 3, 12. C. Okay? Plus 2 squared is 4 times 2, 8. Yan. O, 9 plus 8, 17. O, 17 minus 5 is equals to 18. A plus 12. See, dito matetest kung talagang natuto kayo sa algebra. O, 17 minus 12, 17 minus 5, 12. Is equals to 18A plus 12. See, we can divide this by 6 para ma-simplify. O, 12 divided by 6, 2. 18 divided by 6, 3. 12 divided by 6, 2. Yan. So, this will now become equation 2. Equation 2 natin. Now, kunin natin tong equation 1. Lagay natin doon. Negative 6 is equals to 4A plus 2C. Now, how will we eliminate ito? Itong plus 2C na to. Change sign. I-subtract natin. So, minus. Ito magiging plus. Ito magiging minus. Ito magiging minus. Change sign. Pag sinubtract natin. Diba? So, bale, magiging ang 2 plus 6. Kasi yung negative, kumaga magiging 2 minus negative 6. O, kaya 8 na yan. So, this is now 8 is equal to 3 minus 4 negative 1A or negative A. O, ito, 2 minus 2C, 0 na yan. Kaya natin sinubtract. Therefore, divide both sides by negative 1. A natin is negative 8. So, therefore, A is negative 8. Yan. How to solve for D? Pwede nyo na gamitin yung equation 1 or equation 2. Kahit alin dyan. Substitute nyo yung A. From equation 1. So, negative 6 is equals to 4A plus 2C. Yan. Substitute A. 4 times negative 8 plus 2C. 8 times 4, 8, 16, 24, 32. Negative. Inilipat natin magiging positive 32. Minus 6 is equals to 2C. Yan. 32 minus 6. 20. 6 is equals to 2C. Divided by both sides by 2, C is equals to 13. Yan. C is equals to 13. Yan, ito na yung mga values ng A, B, C, and D natin. I hope nasundan yan. Di pa yan tapos. Di pa tayo nag-integrate. Nagpa-partial fraction pa lang tayo. Gagamitin natin to. You may pause naman this video in case na nalilito kayo. You may pause that video, screenshot nyo, isend nyo sa GC. Kasi wala ako next week. Okay? Send nyo sa GC para pag tiningnan ko, makikita ko yan, i-explain ko kung bakit. Okay? Okay, so nakuha na natin yung ABCD. Isa-substitute natin dito. So, ito, pwede na natin itong erasin kasi nakuha na natin yung ABCD natin dyan. Saan na yan? Wait lang. A. Parang mali. 1. B is 1. D is 2. And X is 1. One squared. Tama. 1 squared is 1 plus 1, 2. Is equals to 1 plus 1, 2. Squared, 4. 1 plus 1, 2 squared, 4 times B, 1. 1 times 2, 2C plus D plus 1. 2 times D, which is 2. 4 plus 4, 8. Magiging 2A. Let's see. Negative. Wait lang guys, naduling ako. Ito pala is not 1 plus 1, x squared. So therefore, this is not 1 plus 1. This is 1 squared. Kasi galing yan dito, let x is equals to 1 squared yan. Therefore, ito, 2. Tapos ito 1 squared, dapat 1 lang yan. 2 times 1 is 2. Oh. Tapos ito is 2. Yun, mali. Yan, in case na mamali, balikan. 4 plus 2 is 6. Diba? Pag nilipat, negative 6. Plus 2, this is negative 4. Yan. Dito, anong mali? Ito. Mali ulit tayo dito. 2 squared, 5. Ito, 9 plus 8, 17. Pag nilipat, negative 17 plus 5. So, this should be negative. Diba? Kaya negative dapat to. Tapos ito, negative 4. So, therefore, mali yung value ng A at C natin. Yan, correct na lang natin. Okay, so subtract, minus. So, ito magiging na tong plus. Oh. Negative 2 plus 4. So, ito is equation 1. So, negative 2 plus 4, positive 2 is equal to negative 3. Ito wala namang error dito eh. Negative 3 minus 4, negative A. Magsisiro na yan. Okay? So, therefore, A natin is equal to negative 2. Yan, tama na. Therefore, A is equal to negative 2. Yan, ingat ulit. Next, from equation 1. Dito. Negative 4 is equals to 4A plus 2C. Substitute value of A. 4 times negative 2 plus 2C. So, negative 4 is 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Pag nilipat, magpa-plus yan. C is equal to 8 minus 4 is 4. Divided by 2. 2. C is positive 2. Yan, tama na yan. Nakuha na natin yung values ng A, B, C, and D. Sabi ko na nga ba, medyo ano yung 8 and 13 kanina. Yun pala kasi mali. Yan. Nakuha na natin yung A, B, C, D. So, pwede na natin yung i-substitute dito. Doon na sa original. Ito. Ay, sorry na erase nakasama. O, x. Ito is x squared. X plus 1. X plus 1 squared. Oh, gamitin na yung integral. Integral of A. Oh, mali. Substitute na natin. Ano yung A? Negative 2. Negative 2 over x plus B. 1 over x squared plus C. 2 over x plus 1 plus D. Ano yung D? 2 over x plus 1 squared. dx. Pag iwaiwalayin, ilabas na yung negative 2. Integral of dx over x plus integral of. Oh, now, pag nakakita kayo ng merong ganitong square, itaas nyo na. X raised to negative 2 dx. Power formula na yan, matik. Okay? Plus, ito, ilabas yung 2. Integral of dx over x plus 1, ln. Plus, labas yung 2. Integral of x plus 1 raised to negative 2. Okay, taas nyo na yan. dx. Yan. Ito is log. Ito power. Ito is log. Power. Alternating na lang yan. O kung in case na naka-raise sa 3, madadagdagan yan ng another power formula na naka-raise sa negative 3. Okay? So, integral, negative 2, ln of x plus u raised to n du. U raised to n plus 1, negative 2 plus 1, negative 1, over negative 1, plus 2, ln of x plus 1, plus 2, times power x plus 1 raised to negative 1 over negative 1 plus c. Plus c. Simplify. Negative 2 ln x. Negative 1 times ito, negative na yan. Yung x raised to negative 1, ibaba nyo na. 1 over x. Plus 2 ln of x plus 1. Plus 2 times negative, 2 divided by negative 1, negative 2 na pala to. Diba? Negative 2. Ito, ibaba nyo na rin. 2 over x plus 1 plus c. Okay? So, yan na yung value ng integral natin. Yung mahirap yung pinili kong example para pag-aralan nyo.